In this video, I'll show you how to fix EA Sports FC26 crashing on your Windows PC. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Let's get started. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Security, then launch the app. Go to Device Security and select Core Isolation Details. If memory integrity is enabled, turn it off and restart your computer. After your PC restarts, it's time to clear the EA app cache. Press Windows +R, type %app data% and press Enter. Find the EA folder, right-click it, and delete it. Once you've done that, restart your computer again. Next, open the EA app and go to your game library. Locate EA Sports FC26, click Manage, and choose Repair. The EA app will verify your game files and automatically download any missing or corrupted files. When the repair process is complete, launch EA Sports FC26 and check whether the crashing issue has been resolved. If everything worked correctly, your game should now run smoothly without crashing.